Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hatchback. Uh-oh. Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Let's do this back at me. I have this Volkswagen 2000 get it up GTI 2000 and I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change. Stay tuned. Before I get into the action, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit it hard, bang it like if you're a game member. Destroy the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Share this video, please. The feedback, put in the comment box for me. That's all you gotta do for me. Yeah, me. And shout outs to my subscribers, followers, viewers, those that haven't subscribed yet. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, thank you for the help. I hope you like this video, I hope you enjoy. You know what I'm saying? Where would I be without you? And yeah. Oh, also I want to encourage the females to become the ladies to become a mechanic, technician. You know what I'm saying? It's like any other job. You know what I'm saying? But you're gonna have more fun doing this. I'm just gonna leave it right here. Let's get into the oil change. And yeah, holla at your boss too, boom. Now this is how you open the hood. See that lever right there? Just pull it once. Pull it hard up. It's 2000. Don't forget 2.0. 2.0. This one takes the R1348. Does the not all, but I mean you can say it's all Freon. I'm saying. Here. 1984 cc. Damn. This is hatch. Golf, Jetta, New Beetle, Cabrio. Alright. This is the oil stick to check the oil level. Dipstick. Engine oil cap. Alright. Let's see what we have here. Muffler. Resonator. Cat. That's a big cat, yo. It's an oil drain plug right here. And that's the oil filter. Okay. Let's get it. Oops. I mean, yeah. I'm gonna use a 19mm socket. For the oil drain plug. GD. Hopefully I don't splash my face. There's a long oil drain plug. Oh, okay. What you think? Well, we drain that. We can lose the oil filter. Okay, once we drain the most of the oil, we put the oil drain plug back. By hand, you don't want to mess with the thread. I'm saying, give it a few turns, then you can use your ratchet with 19mm socket. Don't use guns, especially impact guns. Okay. tight it, snag it. That's okay. Here, go there. Now you have two options. You can wait to drain most of it, that is pressurized over there, or you can keep turning with a rag, just so you don't waste time. Time is money. Shout outs to MOB. Careful if the engine is hot. You don't want to get burned. That's the part number 61393. Honda. Oops. Clean where the oil filter sits, just to be sure it's not gonna leak from there when you put the new one. Okay. New oil filter right in front of your grill. Part number, guidelines, lube the oil ring light. So now install the new oil filter. Turn it clockwise, tight it, snag it by hand. Don't use tools. You don't want to crack open the oil filter and then it's going to be leaking. You're going to be driving, your engine is going to overheat. Sheesh. The timing chain is going to stretch, something's going to break. You don't want all that. Safety first. Now let's put some oil. It's okay. 5W30 regular oil. It's up to you if you wanna pour synthetic oil. 4 quarts. Let's check the oil level. And very good, you right? Good, you right? Four quarts. Okay. Put the engine oil cap back. Don't keep it. Oh, you know how to put this thing? Oh, okay. Here it is. Click. You're gonna hear a click. Alright. It's pretty much in this baby. 2.0 Volkswagen GTI. Hey guys, welcome back. Stu is back. I'm back at it. I hope you like the video, and also I hope you enjoyed the video about how to do the oil change in this 220 Volkswagen GTI. I pour 4 quarts of regular oil, 5W30, just so you know, remarking it. I'm saying, and that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this vehicle. Is it reliable for you? How is it working for you? Let me know. Put it in the comment box for me. Alright, and that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next one. I like your boy. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for support, and always wear your safety glasses. Alright, I like your boy. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm Audi.